Hello, everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Are you ready to improve your English through listening? Here's a simple 1-minute motivational story for English beginners. The Little Seed. A little seed was lying in the dark soil. It was scared and lonely. One day the seed said, "I cannot become a big tree. I am too small." But the rain said, "Keep growing." The sun said, "Keep trying." So the seed did not give up. Every day it grew a little more. Days became weeks. Weeks became months. Slowly, the little seed became a strong tree. Many birds came to rest on its branches. People sat under its shade. The tree remembered its old fear and smiled. Moral: you do not need to be great to start. You need to start to become great. Believe in yourself. Small steps every day can lead to big success. Thank you for listening. Keep learning, keep listening, keep growing. See you in the next story. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our channel for more English listening stories.